Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another fruit pie, the ubi pie. Ubi pie is made with a creamy filling of ubi halaya, made extra special with the addition of evaporated milk, condensed milk, coconut milk, butter, and eggs. This recipe of mine is so simple and so easy to make, yet so delicious. I know you're going to love it. The ingredients are 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of calamansi juice, 1/4 cup of cold milk plus 2 tablespoons of water, 3/4 cup of cold butter. For the filling, 2 cups of ubi halaya. You can refer to my ubi halaya episode for the recipe. 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of sugar. This is optional. If you want it less sweeter, you can omit this. 1/2 can of condensed milk, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 eggs, and extra egg for the egg wash. Okay, we're going to start. For the crust, we're going to use this food processor. Let's add the flour. And the sugar and the salt. Mix. Then add the cold butter, the diced cold butter. The butter is finely crushed into the flour. Then we add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or calamansi juice. One-4 cup of cold milk plus 2 tablespoons of cold water. Dust the surface with flour. We're going to fold this and press so you have layers of butter, and the crust is flaky. There. And we're going to divide this into 2. And we're going to refrigerate this to chill the butter and relax the gluten. Chill the crust for at least 30 minutes. For the ube filling, add 2 cups of ubi halaya, then 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 can of condensed milk. Mix everything and cook until this is thick. Add the butter and continue mixing. Add eggs. Then add the cornstarch dissolved in milk. Mix until thick. Add drops of food color and ubi extract for more. Add the sugar. This is done. Look. This is done. Put flour on the table. And we're going to roll the crust. Floor the pan 9 inches. Trim the edges. Roll the top crust. Then we use this. And we're going to roll this. We put filling. Cut the edges. Then tuck it in. And we're going to do this. Going to brush this with egg wash. Then we're going to bake this at 400 for 15 minutes and then at 350 for an hour. My ubi pie is out of the oven, baked at 400 for 15 minutes and then 350 for an hour. Look, so nice, so pretty. There you have it, my ubi pie. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!